We celebrate the 9th of May this year in extraordinary times of global coronavirus pandemic. In this unprecedented crisis, the European Union reacted quickly to protect people's lives, strengthen the health systems, and mitigate the socio-economic impact. And we are acting globally, from supporting efforts for a vaccine to be developed quickly, to working in solidarity with our partners, starting with the Western Balkans. As the EU, we provided financial support and we associated partners in the region to the initiatives for the member states. And despite the crisis, we have managed to bring the enlargement back on track with our revised methodology, leading to the opening of accession talks with Albania and North Macedonia. The summit this week confirmed the European perspective of the region and the reinforced engagement. I would like to congratulate all our partners in North Macedonia for these achievements and wish you a happy Europe Day.